The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, Davidson County, Montgomery County, Randolph County, Stanley County, Guilford County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Germantown to near downtown Concord, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Asheboro, Lexington, Albemarle, Randleman, Troy, Maiden Lake, and North Carolina Zoo. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Raleigh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, Guilford, Montgomery, Randolph, and Stanley.